Recently, the world was shocked by a mysterious aircraft that could supposedly turn completely invisible, dodge radar, and fly at mind-blowing speeds. Elon Musk recently hinted at just that on X, sparking a wave of excitement and curiosity. Many suspect that Musk's SpaceX might be cooking up something called Project Nexus, a super-secret aircraft that could redefine how we think about flying. While Musk himself didn't spill all the beans, his knack for pushing the boundaries of tech has everyone wondering, could this be real? The idea of an invisible plane sounds like something straight out of a superhero comic, but the buzz suggests it's more than just a cool concept. Many call it metamaterials, fancy materials that can bend radar waves, making the plane nearly impossible to detect. So, how do you make a plane disappear? It's not magic, it's science. Many people think that the plane might use cutting-edge tech to pull off its vanishing act. Metamaterials are special because they can trick radar by bending waves around the plane, like water flowing around a rock. This makes it look like the plane isn't even there. Rumors say this plane could zoom faster than anything we've seen, maybe even outrunning older jets like the SR-71 Blackbird. Imagine a plane so fast it's gone before anyone notices. Some argue that the plane could blend into the sky, maybe even looking like a cloud. It's like the ultimate hide-and-seek champion of the air. While no official SpaceX announcement confirms Project Nexus, the idea aligns with Musk's history of dreaming big. From reusable rockets to Starlink satellites, SpaceX loves breaking the mold, so an invisible plane isn't too far-fetched. Whether Project Nexus is real or just a spark of imagination, it's got people dreaming about the future of flight. If SpaceX is working on an invisible plane, it could shake up everything from military strategies to how we travel. And if it's just a rumor, it still shows how Musk's ideas inspire us to think bigger.